What if a part of you already exists in a higher dimension, guiding, protecting, and even inspiring you as you journey through life? According to Ra in the Law of One, that's exactly what the higher self does. Ra explains that our higher self is us in the mid-sixth density, essentially a future version that's completed vast cycles of learning and spiritual evolution. It's like a guide who has traversed the road ahead and is here to help us navigate life's challenges with wisdom and compassion. Another intriguing aspect is that this higher self exists in a dimension where time is simultaneous. From this perspective, past, present, and future all coexist. This means that while we're here learning in our current life, our higher self has already learned these lessons and is looking back, offering insights to help us grow. Ra also highlights that reaching the sixth density brings together polarities like good and bad, positive and negative, creating a balanced perspective. This merging of opposites in the higher self allows it to understand our struggles while also seeing the bigger picture. So, in the framework of the Law of One, our higher self is not just a spiritual guide, it's our future self, patiently supporting us while honoring our journey and our choices. By connecting with it, we tap into profound wisdom that transcends time, helping us evolve. Curious about what else the Law of One has to say about our spiritual journey? Hit that like button, subscribe, and let's explore together.